Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me OPPO A77, and now I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted photos and videos from the gallery's recycle bin. So firstly we need to create a photo, so open the camera and let's take a photo. Great. Now we need to open the gallery. Photos, open the Photos app. And as you can see here we have photos from our device, and now I will remove everything from my gallery. Click delete, and great, as you can see photos were successfully removed. But now if you want to recover it, you need to click albums, then scroll down, find your recently deleted, choose the photos you want to recover. So you need to choose the photos you want to recover. Of course, you have only 30 days to recover the photos you have removed. After this time, your memories will be removed permanently from your smartphone. So choose the photos you want to recover, click restore, and great, that's it. Photos was successfully restored from the recycle bin, and now you can find it in normal gallery view. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.